program to find the sum of the following series. Sum is equals to 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 2 divided by 2 factorial plus 3 divided by 3 factorial up to n divided by n factorial. Now in this case, you need to generate a natural number from 1 to n. Okay, so that means first thing is you need to read the value of n, and after that you have to generate an natural number from 1 to n. That will do it with an I, and every time when I value changes, its factorial value has to be generated. So we'll take an f, and each term has to be added to sum, so we'll take an sm. Okay, these are the variables required. So we'll take a complete program. In the main function, we'll first do the declaration. This I, f and n, all three variables, we will declare it of type integer, whereas some value will be an float. So we'll give a float sm. Except the value of n, then scanf %d ampersand of n. So let's take here n value is equals to 3. So that means 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 2 divided by 2 factorial plus 3 divided by 3 factorial. Up to this 3 terms we have to add. So initialize this I value equals to 1. So 1 factorial is going to be 1, so initialize f equals to 1. Whereas initialize the sum is equals to 0. Fine. Now take a while loop where this I value has to start from 1 and it has to go up to n. So we'll give the condition as I is less than or equal to n. Now add one by one the terms to the sum by giving a sum equals to sum plus. So here it is going to be nothing but 1 divided by 1 factorial, 2 divided by 2 factorial. So this 1, 2, 3 has been generated by I. So you have to give a I divided by the factorial value is present inside f. But because these both are of type integer, the result also is going to be an integer. If you go for 2 divided by 2 factorial, it's going to be an 1. Whereas 3 divided by 3 factorial, that is going to be nothing but 0.5. 3 divided by 3 factorial is 6. 3 divided by 6 is going to be 0, not as an 0.5. So either I should be converted to an float or else f should be converted to an float. We'll convert f to an float here. To do that, within bracket, specify the data type, that is an float, and then the variable name. So that means I value, if it is 1, 1 divided by 1 factorial, 2 divided by 2 factorial, 3 divided by 3 factorial. So once one term has been added, then we have to increment I value. So we'll give our I plus plus. That is, first time I value is 1, f value is 1, some value has been initialized to 0. So 0 plus it has taken I value is 1 divided by 1 factor. F value is 1, so 1.0 it takes. So it's going to be, the result is going to be here 1. And then I plus plus I value will become now 2. Now once I value is 2, then 2 factorial you have to find out. So already f is having 1 factorial. So for that 1 factorial you multiply I value, that is nothing but 2. So 1 into 2 you'll get an 2 factorial. You got this f value as in 2. Then again go back. I value is now 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. N value is 3. The condition is true. Sm equals to Sm plus. That is nothing but 1 plus I value is 2 divided by float of 2 factorial, that is 2.0. So 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 1. Sorry, 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but here you will have a 2.0. Then after that again for the next term, that is 3. So I has been incremented by 1. It's going to be 3. And f equals to f into I, that is nothing but 2 into I value is 3. 2 into 3 is going to be here 6. And f value is going to be nothing but now 6. Then again go back. I value is 3. 3 is less than or equal to 3. N value is 3. So 3 is less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. If this condition is true, then gets into the loop. And then again Sm equals to Sm plus. Sm value is now at present 2 plus I value is 3 here. I value is 3. And divided by f. F value is 6. It's been converted to float. It's going to be 6.0. This will be an 0.5 plus 2 is going to be 2.5. Then again I plus plus I will become now 4. And then I have to find out the 4 factorial. So f is already having 3 factorial. 3 factorial into 4, it's going to be nothing but 4 factorial. That's going to be 24. Then when you go back, but here the condition is going to be false because I value is 4 is less than or equal to n value is 3. The condition is false. When it is false, it comes out, and then here you can display the sum value by giving sum equals to slash n sum of series is equals to % f. and then display our SM value. And at the end, stop the main by giving a return 0 and then close the main. So this is the program to find the sum of series. Let's see the output in the code block. Here, I've declared I, F and N, whereas sum has been declared as a float. So we'll accept the value of N here at the top by using scanf, and next job is do the initialization. I value should be initialized as 1, factorial value should be initialized as 1, whereas sum value is 0. And the condition is going to go as I is less than or equal to N. Inside the loop, sum equals to sum plus I divided by float of factorial. And then take up the next term, that is I plus plus, and the next term factorial value you can get it by F equals to F into I. So it keeps on doing it till this I is less than or equal to N. When it is false, it comes out of the loop and then display the sum. So we'll build this, no error, run the code. I'll give this N values in 3, run the program, sum of series is 2.5. Same way, if I give here N values in 5, the sum of series is nothing but 2.708333. So this is the program to find the sum of series.